2019 August past paper question, combined maths 1, permutation and combination. Let P1 and P2 be the two sets given by A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4 and other set F, G, H, I, J, 5, 6, 7, 8 respectively. It is required to form a password consisting of 6 elements taken from P1 union P2, of which 3 are different letters and 3 are different digits. In each of the following cases, find the number of different such passwords that can be formed. First one, all 6 elements are chosen only from P1. Second, 3 elements are chosen from P1 and the other 3 elements are chosen from P2. Answer for this question, we are given two sets. Set 1, P1, here the elements are A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means set A contains 5 letters and 4 digits. And set P2 also 5 letters. F, G, H, I, J and 4 digits 5, 6, 7, 8. We want to choose a password. That password contains 6 elements. And how about the 6th element? It must contain 3 letters and 3 digits. For an example, like this one, A2D6J8. It contains 3 letters. 1, 2, 3 letters contains, and also 3 letters. 2, 6, 8. This is one of the examples. Like this one, password we want to choose. Okay, first one, all 6 elements are chosen only from P1. Therefore, now we do consider the set P1. From the set P1, all elements from, we want to select this one. A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 letters must be chosen from these 5 letters. 3 letters must be chosen from A, B, C, D, E. For each of the above selection, 3 digits must be chosen from this 1, 2, 3, 4 from the 4 digits. So, number of different ways of selecting 6 elements. These 3 letters must be chosen from 5 letters. Therefore, 5 C3. For each of the above selection, therefore, we should multiply for each of the above selection. 3 digits must be chosen from 4 digits. Therefore, that selection 4C3. Each of these 6 elements, now we chosen 6 elements. These 6 elements can be arranged in themselves in factorial 6 ways. So, number of different passwords selecting from the set P1, that means 3 letters and 3 digits, is equal this into factorial 6. 5C3 into 4C3 into 6 factorial. This one 3 letters from the 5 letters. For each of the selection 3 digits from the 4 digits, then it can be arranged in factorial 6V. Therefore, when we simplify this one, we already know NCR is equal factorial N over factorial R into factorial N minus R. Therefore, this one 5C3 factorial 5 over factorial 3 into factorial 5 minus 3. Then consider this one. This one factorial 4 over factorial 3 into factorial 4 minus 3 into factorial 6. When simplifying further, this one factorial 5 can be written 5 into 4 into factorial 3. That factorial 3 and this factorial 3 cancel. Therefore, 5 into 4. The bottom part, factorial 2. Factorial 2 into 1. Therefore, 2. Then consider this one. Factorial 4 can be written 4 into factorial 3. That factorial 3 and this factorial 3 cancel. Therefore, 4. 4. And here 4 minus 3, that one 1 factorial, that is the 1. Then this one, factorial 6, that is the 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. When we simplify this one, we get 28,800. This is all elements are chosen only from P1. We can form 28,800 different passwords. Now to the second part. In the second part, we do consider the set P2 also. 3 elements are chosen from P1 and other 3 elements are chosen from P2. 3 elements from P1, 3 elements from P2 for the password. Okay. Now, we will create one of the chart, the table, to write down all possible ways. This column, selection from set P1. This column, selection from set P2. From the set P1, we can select letters and digits. And also from set P2 also we can select some letters and some digits. In this column, number of password. Okay. From P1, we want to select 6 elements, 3 letters and 3 digits must be there. Therefore, from set P1, we select 3 letters. So, we need 3 more digits. These 3 more digits can we select from the set P2. Therefore, 3 plus 6. 6 element, password, 3 letters and 3 digits. This is one of the possible ways. Or, from the set P1, we can select 2 letters and 1 digits. Only from the one set, we can select at least 3 elements. Therefore, here we can select 2 letters and 1 digit. So, from the set P2, we can select 1 letters and 2 digits. Therefore, totally 2 letters, 1 letter, 3 letters, 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits, 3 letters and 3 digits. Okay, this is also one of the possible way. Third one, we can choose like this one from the set P1, 1 letters and 2 digits. So we need, and we want to select from P2, 2 letters, 1 digits. We have totally 1 letters, 2 letters, 3 letters, 2 digits, 1 digit, 3 digits. 6 element password can be formed. And one more selection from the set P1, we can select 3 digits. Therefore, rest 3 letters can be chosen from the set P2. These are the possible ways. Okay. Now, number of password, 3 letters from the set P1, 3 letters can be chosen from these 5 letters. Therefore, for this selection, 5C3. For each selection, these 3 digits can be chosen in the set P2 among 4 numbers. Therefore, 4C3. 4C3. And also, this selection can be arranged in themselves in 6 factorial 6 different ways. Therefore, these are the total number of ways. 5C3 into 4C3 into factorial 6. Okay, now we do this calculation. Here, these letters from the set P1, these 2 letters can be chosen from 5 letters, 5C2. This 1 digit can be chosen from these 4 digits. Therefore, 4C1 for each selection. Now consider the set P2. These 1 letters can be chosen from these 5 letters, 5C1. And these 2 digits in set P2, these 2 digits can be chosen from these 4 digits, 4C2 and 6 factorial 6 different ways. Therefore, should be multiplied by factorial 6. Then now we do calculation about this possibility. This one letters can be chosen from 5 letters, 5C1, these 2 digits from 4 digits. Therefore, 4C2 into these 2 letters can be chosen from, in P2 also 5 letters there, 5C2 into 1 digits. 1 digits can be chosen in the set P2 among 4 numbers. Therefore, 4C1 then can be arranged in factorial 6b. 5C1, 4C2, is 5C2, 4C1 into factorial 6. Now consider the last case. These 3 digits can be chosen from these 4 digits in the set P1. Therefore, 4C3. For each selection, these 3 letters can be chosen from these 5 letters in set P2. Therefore, 5C3 and arranged in factorial 6 way. Okay. Now we do the calculation. What about this one? So we do the calculation very careful. 5C3 into 4C3 into factorial 6. We know this formula. We know this one. 5C3 factorial 5 over factorial 3 into factorial 2. And this one factorial 4 over factorial 3 into factorial 1. Factorial 1 is a 1. Into factorial 6. This one 5 into 4 into factorial 3. Factorial 3 and this factorial 3 cancel. In the bottom part 2. Into here, now consider this one, factorial 4, 4 into factorial 3. That factorial 3 and this factorial 3 cancel, therefore here 4 into this one factorial 6. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. When we simplify, we will get 28,800. Therefore, this value 28,800. Okay. Now we do this. What about this value? This one. 5c2 into 4c1 into 5c1 into 4c2 into factorial 6. This one, factorial 5 over factorial 2 into factorial 3. This one, factorial 4 over factorial 3 into factorial 1. And this one, factorial 5 over factorial 4 into factorial 1. And this one, factorial 4 over factorial 2 into factorial 2 into this factorial 6. When we simplify this one, we can get 864,000. About this value, 864,000. This one. Now, this calculation. When we calculate this one, we can get 864,000. Same amount like this one. And the last, when we simplify the last, we will get this one, 28,800. Therefore, number of different such passwords, we want to add all these numbers. 28,800 plus 864,000 plus 864,000 plus 28,800. When you add, we can get 1,785,600 different passwords.